Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan. Today I'm sharing with you the smallest and most processed grocery haul that you'll probably ever see here on my channel. If you watched my last couple grocery hauls, you know that our family went on vacation last week, and then this week I was out of town for work, and I'm actually leaving to go out of town again today. Today's Friday. And I won't be back until Sunday. I'm going on a kind of girls' weekend scrapbooking retreat to Michigan. So I kind of just stopped at the grocery store this morning after I dropped the kids off at camp and picked up a few things that they would need this weekend. We still have quite a few groceries in the house, so I just wanted to get them a couple things to get Adam and the kids through the weekend. I assume when I get back, I will have another small haul to show you, or if not, I will end up just showing you what meal plan I figure out for next week. But we've all been eating a little bit poorly due to all this travel that has been going on. So I'm looking forward to getting back on track with some more healthy eating next week. So I'll just show you quick what I got. I spent $65. I went to Fareway, which is a small local grocery store here. I got some Sturzing's potato chips for Adam and the kids to have with sandwiches if they want. We have some French onion dip in the fridge, so I thought I would get these to use that up. I also got this already cut up and washed produce. It comes with pineapple, grapes, and strawberries. I mentioned this last week, but I don't usually buy cut up fruit just because I feel like I can cut it up myself for cheaper. But obviously for convenience, it's good to have in the fridge, and that way they can have something healthy with their meals. I got Adam some ham and cheese loaf, highly processed lunch meat. This is his favorite kind of lunch meat, so I figured I'd get that for him. And then I got the kids some yogurt. I got Connor 2 of these orange cream Yoplait yogurts. That's his favorite kind. And then I got Kira a vanilla and a raspberry. And then I got 2 of the Flips, a mint chocolate chip and cookies and cream, so they can fight over those. I got a fresh loaf of bread so they can have that. And then I also got a combo pack of these cheddar and beef sticks and just some plain Colby and Monterey Jack cheese sticks that they can pull out of the fridge. Those are just easy. They can grab their own snack if they want one. I've been seeing Shelly from Shelly's Home Life here on YouTube post about this diet ocean spray juice, so I thought I would try it. This is the cran cherry kind. I got a 6-pack of Diet 7-Up, and then I got a 6-pack of Powerade Zero for the kids, and I also got the kids some 2% chocolate milk to have for breakfast. And then also for breakfast, they like to have toaster strudels once in a while. I don't buy these very often, but as a treat, Connor especially really likes them. And then I just got a box of fish sticks. I believe there's some tater tots and or some French fries in the freezer, so they could probably have this for dinner one night. And then I also picked up a few cans of SpaghettiOs. The kids are the only ones that eat those. I got Adam some salsa con queso and some jalapeno slices in case he wants to make nachos, and then I got a couple cans of chicken noodle soup just to have in the pantry in case he wants to do like soup and sandwiches for one meal. And then the last thing I got was just a 8-pack of the pineapple strawberry LaCroix. So that's all I have to share with you for now. I'm going to get this stuff put away and get on the road. Probably this weekend sometime I'll think about what I want to prep and meal prep when I get back. And then Sunday night when I get back, I will share with you the rest of what we're doing for the week.
Okay, so for the remainder of this week's grocery haul, I also went to Fareway. It was just more convenient. I spent around $150. I got some Velveeta shells and cheese for the kids to have with dinners. I also got some fresh mozzarella pearls and some flour tortillas for tacos for the kids this week. I got 1 red bell pepper, some turkey pepperoni for the kids to have with their lunches, some bacon pieces for a recipe and salads, and then I also picked up this cheddar cheese that was on sale that will go into snacks and lunches, as well as this smoked Oscar Mayer turkey breast. I also got a package of sharp cheddar cheese for taco night this week, and then some shredded lettuce for that as well. I got some romaine hearts for salads and some taco seasoning. And then this was new, this Arla Fontina cheese. I've tried it and it's really, really good, so I got a package of that. And then I also got some thick cut boneless pork chops, which we will have on the grill this week. I picked up some heavy whipping cream for a recipe, and then I also got some of the Chobani Flip yogurt and some Go-Gurt for the kids to have with lunches. I picked up a head of cauliflower for a side for dinner this week, and then some medium olives as well as some butter. I also got the kids some frozen treats, some cookies and cream Greek yogurt pops, and some frozen fruit bars. I figured those would be a healthier choice for them. And then I also picked up a bag of frozen chicken breasts as well as some sour cream. I also picked up some shallots. I don't have a plan for these, but I like to pick them up whenever I see them. I got some bananas, some grape tomatoes, and an avocado for taco night. They had blueberries on sale, so I got a package of those. The butter, which I already showed you, and then I got some cut up fruit for us to have. I don't always buy cut up fruit, but sometimes it's nice to have it for convenience. I also got some raspberries and a cucumber for snacks and salads. They also had peaches on sale, so I picked up 4 of those just to have on hand for breakfast and snacks for the kids. They looked really good. I also got some cereal for the kids. They're not big cereal eaters, so I like to get the variety pack. It just stays fresher for longer. I also got them some Nutri-Grain bars because school starts this week. Adam wanted some sugar-free Red Bull. I also needed some more K-Cups. I got some soda, some Diet Coke with orange, and some Diet Squirt. Kira needed a box of Kleenex, and then I picked up some Powerade Zero and some bread. So now let me show you the meal plan for this week. Okay, so Sunday night we ended up having pizza because I just got back from my trip and didn't want to cook. Monday night Connor had a doctor's appointment, so we went out to eat after that. Tuesday is meatloaf, mashed cauliflower, and green beans. Wednesday we're planning on having chicken tacos and taco salad. That is back to school night. Thursday, I'm planning on making those pork chops with the cheesy cauliflower bake and salad. And then Friday, we have dinner reservations, Adam and I. And then Saturday is Connor's birthday. So that cauliflower bake that I was mentioning is really good. I'll leave a link to that recipe down below. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.